Tell us a little bit about, I love like the ceiling in this. It looks like you've been able to take the ceiling up a little higher, which you usually need to do on the terrace level.
Yep.
And, the clean look and open up walls, right?
Yeah, definitely. This basement had, that's a Murphy bed. So that actually obviously folds back in the wall, and that room becomes another entertaining room. It's open to the backyard. You could see the big window in the back, and this one had a putting green in the back and a creek. So this is typical entertaining lifestyle materials. The flooring was luxury vinyl tile, which is very popular now. Very cost effective. It looks beautiful. Many finishes in different colors. Obviously the flat screen TV, which had all the Xbox and everything concealed underneath. Speakers in the wall. And we like to make sure every basement that we do has a separate HVAC system or a zone, meaning that when you're in the basement, you can turn on the AC or the heat or just some circulating air, which doesn't affect the other parts of the home. And I think that's very important. Most people think we can just tap into our ductwork and let the thermostat upstairs climate control the basement, but it doesn't work. And you want to be comfortable in your basement, especially in the winter, because it's going to be much cooler down there. So you want to be able to turn the heat on and heat that space. And of course, in the summertime, it's going to be cooler anyway, so you don't want to blow cold air down there, stealing it from the upstairs and really not making it cost efficient to run your AC. This basement was great. 3 or 4 kids and sectional couch over there, daylight, separate entrance, separate alarm system. This had a Sonos system, so the zone was separated. So when you're in the basement, you can play music that was different from the upstairs and outside.
Yeah, that's really pretty. Let's go on and see a few more pictures.
Okay.
I think from the same basement that we have
Yeah,
at terrace level. Is
that's
this the same one?
Yeah, it's the other side of the basement. Obviously, the sectional couch, which leads, if you look all the way in the back, air hockey.
That's fun.
Yeah, just, big old air hockey. And there was a full kitchen, a kitchenette that was in this basement. So actually, when they renovated the kitchen upstairs, they were able to live in the basement and use the basement as living space. And a lot of people are Airbnb in their basements now. I mean,
Really?
it's huge today. Huge.
Are they calling you to redo their basement so they can?
We have had a client that was a multi-purpose. In-laws, when they were here 2 months of the year, and then they were Airbnb in it. So that's another way of generating income. There's air hockey, a built-in dehumidifier, an old car seat from a truck they had, so we just used it and built it on a pedestal, and the kids thought it was pretty cool having a car seat in the basement.
That's different.
Yeah, and then of course the speakers in the wall for the Sonos, the LVT, flooring, and just neutral colors. A wide baseboard on the bottom for protection of kids and things that happen down there. But yeah, and the perimeter, that's where we hide all the ductwork. We put all the ductwork around the perimeter and create a tray ceiling and give you maximum height. We only had 8 foot to work with, so obviously we maintained the 8 feet in the beauty areas and then put the ductwork around the perimeter.
Yeah, it looks great.
Yeah.
Let's see some more pictures. I don't know whether we have more from the same one or some different pictures. And then we can talk about...
That's another shot, and obviously you got the full kitchen.
Down there.
Yeah, and that range actually came from their upstairs after they did their upstairs. So they took their upstairs appliances, put it in the basement, and then bought new appliances for upstairs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Really nice for entertaining.
Yeah, there you go. That's a good shot of it.
Yeah, so let's talk a little bit about, I love this, is it tile across the back?
It's a subway tile, a real fun color.
Yeah.
It was actually glass. That was actually a tile that was on sale. Very cost effective. This was about 6 years ago. The Ubatuba was popular back then.
Yeah.
But yeah, I mean everything. Utility kitchen, cook, and refrigerator, ice maker, microwave built in on the left. But just a little fun spot.
Yeah.
Little fun spot.